Take a deep breath. Have you ever wondered how something so simple can be so powerful? Breathing is the foundation of life. With each breath, oxygen flows into your lungs, energizing your body and mind. It fuels your cells, enhances brain function, and keeps your heart beating strong. But in today's world, stress, pollution, and poor posture have led to shallow, ineffective breathing. This can reduce oxygen intake, weaken lung capacity, and increase fatigue and anxiety. Just like muscles, your lungs can be trained to work better. With proper breathing exercises, you can improve your lung capacity, strengthen your respiratory muscles, and breathe more efficiently. And that's where the Aiwo Breathe Easy Kit comes in. A specially designed, calibrated breathing device that helps you enhance your lung strength and overall well-being. Fill the outer container with clean, filtered water up to 30 milliliters. Attach the lid in inner container and insert the inner chamber into the outer chamber and press it tightly. Insert the breathing tube into the lid. Now attach the mouthpiece firmly to the top of the tube. Breathe Easy Kit is now ready to use. Keeping the water chamber upright, inhale quickly through the mouth. Exhale slowly and steadily through the mouthpiece. As you exhale, bubbles will form in the water. This resistance strengthens your lungs. Do 90 to 120 breath count per day to enhance lung capacity. Support longevity by enhancing overall health, reducing stress, and boosting the immune system for a longer, healthier life. Strengthen respiratory muscles. Increase lung capacity. Improve oxygen flow and endurance.